Okay, so I will go here and then I go to this little edit thing, draft mode, folding box name, no, box link, whole bunch of widget, JavaScript, nope, no, not seeing anything there. Okay, so then I go to the little gear, display my profile, awesome. So my other options are to display everyone else's. Nope, that's not what I want either. I am not seeing where else I can do it. I tried to go to LibGuides in general. I can look by owner, by type. When I go to by owner, I just see all of mine. My profile. I can't do anything besides email me. So even when I click on email me, it doesn't let me, it gives me my old Outlook. I really, really don't know what to do.